Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 6 for CBSE Board, chapter number 15, Probability. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from 15 exercise 15.1, question number 18. A box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears number 1 a two-digit number, number 2 a perfect square, number 3 a number divisible by 5. Okay. Solution. In this random experiment, in all there are 90 discs. One disc is drawn at random and therefore possible outcomes are 90. Let A be the event that a disc drawn bears a two-digit number. So therefore favorable outcomes are 10, 11 and so on up to 90 is equal to 81, and hence probability PA is equal to favorable outcomes upon possible outcomes is equal to 81 upon 90 and is equal to 9 upon 10. Answer number 1. Let B be the event that this drawn bears a perfect square numbers. So 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on. These are all perfect squares and therefore favorable outcomes are 9 and hence PB is equal to 9 upon 90 is equal to 1 upon 10. Answer number 2. Let C be the event that this drawn bears a number divisible by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. So therefore favorable outcomes are 18 and hence PC is equal to 18 upon 90 and 1 upon is equal to 1 upon 5. Answer number 3. Okay. Question number 19. A child has a die whose 6 faces shows the letters as given below: A, B, C, D, E and A. The die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting 1 A and number 2 D? In this experiment, there are 6 faces and therefore possible outcomes are 6. Let A be the event that later getting is A and therefore favorable outcomes are 2. Possible, therefore probability that getting letter A is PA is equal to 2 upon 6, that is 1 upon 3. Answer number 1. Let B be the event that later getting is D. So therefore favorable outcomes is 1 and hence PB is equal to 1 upon 6. Question number 20. Suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangular region. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle with diameter is equal to 1 meter? Now this example is slightly different type of example, so concentrate. Easy it is, not difficult. Solution. So this is a rectangle region given having length 3 meter and breadth is equal to 2 meter. Inside rectangular region there is one circular region having diameter is equal to 1 meter and hence radius is equal to 1 upon 2 meters. Okay. Now area of rectangular region is equal to 3 into 2, that is 6 meters square, and area of circular region is equal to pi r square is equal to pi upon 4 meters square. In this random experiment, total area of region is possible outcomes, so that is 6 meter per square, 6 meter square. Let A be the event that die will land inside circle having area pi upon 4 meter square, and therefore favorable outcomes is pi upon 4 meter square, and therefore probability that it will land inside circular region is equal to PA is equal to 4 upon pi upon 6, that is pi upon 4 into 1 upon 6 is equal to pi upon 24. Okay. Question number 21. Let lot contains of 144 ball pens, of which 20 are defective and the other are good. Nuri will buy a pen if it is good, but will not buy if it is defective. The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives to her. What is the probability that she will buy it and she will not buy it? Okay. Solution. In this random experiment, in all there are 144 pens, and therefore possible outcomes are 144. 20 are defective pens, so therefore number of good pens are 124. Let A be the event that Nuri will buy a pen, since she will buy a good pen only, and therefore favorable outcomes are 124, and hence PA is equal to 124 upon 144 gives you 31 upon 36. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.